you so much for clicking this video. My name is Maciel. Just in case it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I am back from my mini YouTube break and I'm so excited because I'm back with a holiday giveaway. I'm super excited for what 2020 has in store, but I figured I could end the year with at least one video to bring myself back to YouTube. And what better way than to give away some goodies. So I also wanted to incorporate a lip swatch video with this because in this video I will be giving away the Kylie OG Lip Trio and then also the Kylie Matte Lip Kit and Mary Jo K. Is it Mary Jo K? Yes, Mary Jo K, which is the one I actually have on my lips right now. The Lip Trio comes with Dolce K, Candy K, and then True Brown, which I will be swatching in this video as well. But all in all, I have a total of 9 Kylie lip kits to show you. There's one of them that's not a matte lip kit, and it's the Candy K. I will be showing you the velvet version of it. But let's get into this swatch video. I don't know about you guys, but I am super into swatch videos before I purchase any lip product. It just makes me feel better to know how product performs. And all in all, I can say, if you can't tell, I'm a huge fan of the Kylie lip kits. I think she did her thing, and yeah, so let's get into the Kylie lip kit swatch. And for the rules for the giveaway, stay tuned until the end of this video. guys so much for watching this video. That is it for the lip swatching portion. Now let's get to the giveaway. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'll be giving away this Kylie lip kit in the color Mary Jo K. And then also I'll be giving away the Kylie OG lip trio, which comes with Candy K, Dolce K, and True Brown. Now what you guys have to do to win this is super simple. One, make sure to subscribe to my channel, but that's a given. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And then also comment down below with your Instagram handle or email address, one way for me to like contact you in case you win. Comment what you're looking forward to in 2020. It's so simple. And then the fourth rule is you must follow me on Instagram, Masi_Nunez. If you don't have an Instagram, just say that in the comment and that's fine. The way I'll be choosing the winner is through a random generator, just to be fair. So I wish you guys all the best of luck. I will be choosing my winner on January 3rd. January 3rd is your last, January 2nd will be your last day to enter this giveaway, and January 3rd I will be picking a winner. So again, the rules, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below what you're looking forward to in 2020 with either an Instagram handle or with an email address, and fourth, follow me on Instagram unless you don't have one, which you will have to state in that comment. But all in all, thank you guys so much. I feel so glad to be back on YouTube. You guys can look forward to a lot of content in 2020. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video, and good luck on the giveaway.